Building a business offline is integral in this society. If anything crashes, Instagram, Twitter, you've all freaked out about that once in your life of, oh God, I can't get to my clients. How do I respond? Jill has built a business offline her entire life and career as a fitness trainer and a coach. So the number one thing that works the best for building a business offline is
Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Bunny and Kristen Crowley, two women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe.
All right, welcome back. It's On with J and K, and we are here to bring you another Reframe Your Biz tip of the week and help you grow your brand without spending thousands of dollars. So we're glad you're back with us. And if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe so you can join us every week for all of this information for free, or you can join us in our Reframe Your Biz monthly membership program, which is a mastermind style program at $1 a day. So we hope you join that group. All right, sales pitch is over. Time to get to business. We have to put it in there, y'all. You have to promote. So we are going to be talking about building a brand you own versus a brand you rent. And building a business offline is integral in this society. If anything crashes, Instagram, Twitter, you've all freaked out about that once in your life of, oh God, I can't get to my clients. How do I respond? Jill has built a business offline her entire life and career as a fitness trainer and a coach. So the number one thing that works the best for building a business offline is definitely who you know and who they tell, right?
Referrals are key. And we know this if you looked at your business or you're starting out and you look at as you've built along, where did those customers come from? Usually it starts from referrals. So one client leads to 2 to 3. So obviously we want to make sure that we're servicing the clients that we have right now. And we're not always trying to look for the next best thing, the next client. Serve the clients you have. They're going to be the ones that give you more clients. But as well, a referral list also means other business partners. It could be chiropractors or people within your field that you don't necessarily have an expertise in, but you can connect with. So I work with nail salons, I work with chiropractors and physios. I'm nutrition and diet. That's my expertise. But obviously somebody going to a chiropractic might need that help too. So referring and having that nice network and connection in your local area goes a long way, and it costs $0 to make those beautiful connections.
Yes. And the big thing is you want to connect online, offline. So you don't want to be on social media. That's what we call online all the time. Offline are things like your emails. So emails are personal. You can send them individually. You can tailor them to fit what you need, but you have to build the email list first. And you can do that kind of offline. This is an online, offline one, but you do need to be doing it.
There are some great ways to build your email list. I know that we see them online. We see Facebook ads like build your email list in like a month and get 20,000 subscribers, but they're probably from India and they're not going to buy your stuff, right? So how can you build your email list? Go local. So for example, if you're a female watching this, we know that we go to the nail salon, and I did this during the pandemic when things opened back up. I said, hey, anybody that comes in and gets a nail service, I'd love to give my free cookbook to them. They're like, that's a fantastic idea. I made that connection. They downloaded my cookbook. How many people go into a nail salon? Ended up getting 500 or 600 emails, cost me $0. And it was a great partnership.
That is amazing. And that's the best way to do it, because you don't want to spend a ton of money on this, because you want it to be genuine connections, and connecting on a personal level is going to pay you back. Your ROI on that is 10 times running ads and anything else that you can do in your business. So we want you to save that money until you actually need to spend it. So we don't want you to waste it. And the third big one right now that we've talked about is marketing offline. So we call this the becoming the mayor of your town, or getting to know everyone around you. Like, I want you to get out and get in people's faces and market offline. Jill, we had a couple of fun ideas for this too, with merch and things that you can drop around town.
Yeah, you can do little old school Post-it notes, right? Or, maybe you have an at-home workout, or you have a freebie, putting a flyer out on somebody's doorstep. That's old school, but people are reading it, especially right now. A lot of us are at home. Or pens, like Chris, you always said, leave your pen everywhere. For sure. I love
Oh, yeah.
taking pens, and
Everybody
I've
steals
got
pens.
one right here.
Everybody, I have a WGNT one of the TV ones, and it's broken.
President's in.
Residence Inn and WGNT. So pens are great because especially if you go to restaurants or other businesses, servers always need pens. So if you spend $100 and get, as many pens as you can with your logo and your website and your information, this is your droppings. These are how you leave little droplets all over town, spreading the word. And this is a great way to do it. Other, little freebies are cute too, but this is probably one of the most used by people in general. Also, even if your kids are in school and you have pencils that are branded, donate pencils to your kids' classroom, because those kids are going to be taking those pencils home, and they may show their parents may see it, and it's just about creating brand awareness. They may not be your ideal customer, but they may know somebody.
And the biggest one, if you're a fitness pro, wear your gear. If you own a company, wear it proud, wear it to the gym, give it away to your clients that are transforming, because they are your marketing. If they're losing weight and there's other guests and members in that gym saying, wow, look how great she looks, she's wearing your clothes, they're going to know where to search.
Yep. It's just all brand awareness, and it's all for free except for the stuff that you have to buy. The rest of it's all free.
All return of investment, ROIs, guys.
All ROI. So we're focused on that for you. We hope this helped you out a little bit to build your brand offline and create more referrals and business for yourself. So if you enjoyed this little commentary and this information, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share below. Yeah, do all of it. Just go ahead and go buck wild on our posts. And we want you to be a part of the Reframe Your Biz tribe. So if you want to join the membership, we'll put that link in the comments below as well. It's only $1 a day, and we help you build your brand offline and online so you can make more money. All right, you guys have an awesome day. We'll see you next time.
We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.